Hello everyone, I'm gonna be courageous in this video. I'm gonna shoot everything in 4K except for the drone, I'm not sure. Anyways, so I'm going with my friend Chadi, which you don't see yet. I'm going to pick him up soon. We're going to an area in Quebec called Mont Megantic, where they have an observatory like on the top of the mountain. So it's a dark sky, like protected area. So we're gonna go check out the stars tonight. It's supposed to be a new moon, so hopefully I'll take some really nice footage. And now I gotta go pick up Chadi, who is around 40 minutes away. See you soon. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
We're going to Mont Megantic to watch the stars and hike. What's the name of this mountain? Actually, are you okay being on YouTube?
No, not at all, but tricky questions, I'm not okay with that.
We are 30 minutes away, 38 minutes away. Do we have a stop sign? We don't have a stop sign. Sure. Alright, so we arrived at the Aux Berges. I'll put the information in the comment section. And it's amazing, of course. The weather looks good. I'm worried, I'm still kind of worried, yeah. Worried about the clouds, but it looks like it's gonna be clear. And the owner told us, basically, here's Chadi again. Hello. So this is the balcony for the suite over here, and he told us we can walk all the way up there to the little hill and watch the stars. So we'll do that. Let's go. All right, so I'm waiting for Mr. Chadi. He went to get his bottle of water. We're going for a short walk. This is my baby girl, Madame Katniss Georgette. That's the name of my car. Yes, I do have a name for my car. Moving on. So it looks pretty nice. It's kind of cold, just a little bit, but I don't want to wear a sweater. Not yet, I guess, but I think I'll need it at night. So I have my camera here, my DSLR, and I have my drone in the back. I think I'm set to go. Let's go!
Zoom in.
What? What? What are you saying?
Zoom it.
He said, zoom in. You can see the village over there. This is pretty cool. So at night this is gonna be full of stars, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah. And that's the Mont Megantic area. Looks like it's gonna be full of bugs too. So we took some pictures now with the photographer here.
I'm grounded to the floor. I spent so much.
We're taking some panoramic pictures.
Yeah,
it's so quiet. And we're so loud. Hi, Chadi.
don't call the wolves, Hood.
Alright. The shisha is almost done. Ready, I mean. And yeah, you can see the stars, of course, but it's super dark. It's getting darker. You can still see a little bit the mountain and everything. So yeah, we'll wait for it to be super dark, finish the shisha. Chadi will finish his cigarillo or whatever he has. Nice. And then we're going to the middle of the field, of course with no fire, because that would be dangerous. So I'm gonna finish here and turn them off.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on.
They also served yogurt. Alright, so we arrived at Mont Saint Joseph and we're gonna start hiking from here. Been here before, but we didn't walk much. One times I had one of my friends who didn't want to walk more, and at the time my wife was pregnant, so completely understandable. Wow, this is the first viewpoint. Wow. And they have some kind of refuge here or something, like with the heater inside. I'm still. Huh. Yes, so nice. We reach another viewpoint. Gotta be careful here so that you don't end up in the valley. Beautiful. Keep going. وصلنا. I think we arrived at the point where we were before. Nope, it's not the same place. Oh, oh,
Wow.
oh.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun.
So we're trying to get lunch, and there was a closed road, and we did the tour saying like basically you have to go the other way. The phone refused to let us go that way because like it doesn't make sense. Why are you going this way? So anyways, after a lot of rerouting, it found like the 7 minutes away destination is now total like 40 minutes because for 10 minutes there was no signal, and now we have 30 minutes. Anyways, while driving we saw this area here, a view post, and we're gonna go up and check it out. We're at the top here. So after a lot of detours, cut. Okay. So after a lot of detours, we finally made it to the restaurant. We ordered. There's a nice view there. I don't know if you can see it. You cannot. But we're gonna go a little bit to the water afterwards. Hi, Shadi.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're both hungry. Oui. Food just arrived and we're super hungry, so we're out.